Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a half Carlsberg figure 8. Highly recommend you already know how to do a half Carlsberg and that you're familiar with at least the basic version of a figure 8. So you kind of know what the feel of them are. I'll put links to those in the description below, so if you need to go back and look at them, it's easy and quick for you to find them. But jumping straight in, half Carlsberg figure 8 looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's break it down. It starts off man's right, lady's right, and it starts like a standard half Carlsberg. So we go back, we come in across the chest, we're turning the lady over the top with the right, the guys are turning left. You're going to come round. As the hand comes down between you, the guy's going to stop the hand but keep it high. They're then going to go round to the right, dipping the hand early, so as they continue to turn, it comes through the middle, starts the lady into a return, and hand change or not at the end is of course up to you depending upon what you're intended to do next. So let's do the same thing again with numbers. So we go back 1, across the chest 2, turn the lady 3, turn the guy 4, return the lady 5 and back 6. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, half Carlsberg figure 8. We go back, in, ladies, guys, ladies, and back. And that's it. Hope you find that one good fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel, and a notification bell means you'll get told every time a new video comes out, providing you've got notifications turned on. Music recommendation on the end in one of the windows that comes up in the last few seconds of the video, something nice. It's just a link to a music video, but it would be a tune that would be good to practice this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.